So one of the main questions we get asked whenever we're talking to new clients and customers is, how much does it cost? Or what do you charge for? Or can you give me a price for doing whatever it is that needs to be done? So first thing I want to say about that is, if you're not even going to deal with ourselves, a Cloud 360 accountant, you're going to speak to our accountants. A couple of things to just be aware of, because pricing in terms of accountancy services can seem complicated for clients. So first thing to be aware of is, if someone's going to give you a very fast, quick, rough estimate and a very rounded fee, it's going to be in and around £500 or in and around £1,000, you need to know exactly what it is you're going to get for the price that you're being quoted. Secondly, if you're given sort of a menu of services and you're asked to choose between different options, make sure the option that you're picking includes exactly what your business needs and not just what's on the list. So you will need to dig further into that if necessary. Here at Cloud 360 Accounting, we're champions of clear and transparent pricing. We make sure that your business gets not only what you want, but we recommend what your business really needs to help it improve and to give you a better quality of life. We operate on a minimum price policy, and that makes sure that we have a minimum standard of service that we're going to deliver to help your business to move forward and to grow and prosper in the future. So the questions we will ask to determine what it's going to cost you to have services from ourselves to get your accounts and your tax and your bookkeeping dealt with. Well, let me just draw a comparison for you. If you were going to buy a car, you wouldn't just rock up at a car dealership and ask, how much is a car? You know the questions that are going to be asked in order to determine the price you're going to pay. What type of car? What's the make and model? What's the year of the car? What colour is the car? What type of interior do you want with the car? What type of added extras and accessories and electronic devices are you going to want with the car? All of those things are going to determine the price you're going to pay. On a similar basis, if you're going to have your dinner in a restaurant, you don't just walk into the restaurant and say, how much is my dinner? You're going to be asked questions such as, are you having a starter? Having a main course? Are you having dessert? Are you having drinks? Are you having sides? How many people are coming? Are you coming at a certain time when there's special offers? And you'll be presented with a menu of all those types of prices. This is what we do at Cloud 360 Accounting. Once we know what it is that you want and we can recommend what you need, we will have a face-to-face or an online Zoom meeting to show you exactly what each element of your service is going to cost. When we meet you face-to-face or we have our online Zoom meeting, here's some of the criteria which is going to determine the price that you're going to pay. So what type of business do you have? What industry are you operating in? Because the industry you operate in will have different rules and regulations that can determine how much work needs to be done. What's your annual turnover? What size is the business can give us an idea of how many transactions are going to be involved in your business. How many employees do you have? So if you wanted us to do the payroll, we need to know how many employees do you currently have, and do you pay them weekly or fortnightly or monthly? Do you pay them on a fixed amount every week or every fortnight or month, or is it variable hours? Also, do you want us to do your VAT returns, or are you going to do them yourself? Would you like us to review the VAT returns before they're submitted to HMRC? We also assess the quality of your records. Now, if you work with us and we set you up on Xero and Receipt Bank, then we will set you up in such a way that the quality of your records is quite high. You will pay for that initially, but the price that you'll pay on an ongoing basis will be reflected by the extra training that you've got at the outset. And finally, one of the main factors that contributes to the price is the volume of transactions. So if we are doing your bookkeeping, if you're outsourcing all of that finance function to us, the volume of sales invoices, the volume of supplier bills, how many transactions go through your bank account every month will determine your price, because every one of those transactions must be dealt with and reconciled in your books and records. If you're looking to speak to us, we'd be more than happy to arrange the face-to-face meeting or an online Zoom call and clearly display what services we believe your business needs alongside what you want, and give you a very transparent price for the services that you can get.